Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows snipping tool not working opening, launching and notification fix. First method is reset and repair snipping tool. Second method is reinstall snipping tool. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.